Sleek looks, smooth ride, rock-solid reliability. The 2026 Honda Shadow 750 stays true to its cruiser roots. But is that still enough in today's market? Let's find out. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where we break down the bikes that blend style, substance, and everyday rideability. Design, right out of the gate. The 2026 Shadow 750 oozes timeless cruiser charm. It's got that low-slung stance, teardrop tank, and plenty of chrome. But Honda added just enough modern flair to keep things fresh. Think LED lighting, cleaner lines, and slightly more refined finishes. It's still unmistakably a Shadow, just with a touch more polish. Performance. Powering the Shadow is the familiar 745 cubic centimetre liquid-cooled V-twin, smooth, mellow, and surprisingly torquey down low. It's not a rocket, but it delivers steady pull and relaxed cruising that's perfect for city streets or open back roads. The 5-speed gearbox shifts effortlessly, and the shaft drive keeps things low maintenance and clean. If you're looking for a cruiser that doesn't stress you out, this one fits the bill. Features and technology. Don't expect cutting-edge tech here, and that's kind of the point. The Shadow sticks to the essentials. A simple analog-style gauge cluster with a digital trip readout, comfortable ergonomics, and now standard ABS for added safety. There's also an updated seat and handlebar positioning for improved long-ride comfort. It's old school, but just smart enough for modern riders. Conclusion. The 2026 Honda Shadow 750 doesn't chase trends, and that's its strength. It's approachable, comfortable, and built with the kind of quality that makes it a true long-term companion. Whether you're a new rider or just want a laid-back cruiser that does the job without drama, this bike is well worth a look. Enjoyed the review? Let us know what you think. Would you pick the Shadow over more tech-heavy cruisers? Drop a comment, hit like, share with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more straight-up motorcycle content. See you on the road.